Question 16, Bundle 11, Module 1. Which quadratic equation has exactly one distinct real solution? Okay, let's see. First option is x plus 15 whole squared is equal to 0. So that means you can write x plus 15 is equal to 0 and x is equal to negative 15. One solution. This may be the right option. Now, if in B option, if I do square root on both sides, this is not a real number at all. So, and we are talking about real solutions, so B option is deleted. If I see the C option, taking square root on both sides, as per the rule, we put plus minus sign. So that means x plus 15 is equal to plus minus square root of 45. And so x is equal to negative 15 plus minus square root of 45. Two solutions. Negative 15 minus root 45 and negative 15 plus root 45. And similarly, for option D, you can find two solutions. So that means A option is the correct option. Now I have a question for you. What is the difference between roots and solutions? Are they same? If I consider option 1, it has one distinct real solution. So what will you say? Root, it has one root, or you will say it has two roots and one distinct solution. So comment me the right answer, or if you do not want to, if you do not know it, just explore it a little bit. What is the difference between roots and solutions? This, these are the small, very small points where you were being, the SAT is going to judge you. You know the concept or you do not know the concept. Okay. Let's come to question number 17th. The cost to rent a bus from company X is $950 for the first 3 hours. That means $950 is fixed for first 3 hours. Now if we use this equation, y is equal to mx plus c, so that is the initial price, right? Or let's write 950 here. And 50 per hour for each hour after the first 3 hours. So that means 50 is the rate of change and h is the hours, or let's say time t. If the total cost of the cost of the rent the bus for company X for t hours, where t is greater than 3, is 1150. Now just stop the video. Try to find out, is it correct? If not, why it is not correct, right? Also, in your question, it is given that t is greater than 3, right? And even if it is not given, how will you check that your answer is correct or not? Stop for a while, try to find out. 950 is the initial cost. And what is initial cost when number of hours is 0, right? But here for 3 hours it is 950. So that means this equation is not accurate. We have to check this is from the 4th hour and t has to be greater than 3. So that means this is equal to 50. This subtract 3 hours from it because that is not the initial value. 950 is not the initial value. It is the value for first 3 hours. So that is our equation. Okay. So that means C is the right option. Okay. Perfect. I hope you get it.